Looking for the latest gadgets that combine cutting-edge technology with practical design? We've got you covered. From smart home innovations to portable devices that pack a punch, there's something here for everyone. Make sure to stick around for our top picks, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on which product you're most excited to try. Let's dive right in. Number 10, Govee Strip Light 2 Pro. Your room is cool until you turn the lights off. Then, it's just another boring space. Time to flip the switch. Meet the Govee Strip Light 2 Pro, a lighting upgrade that turns any room into a full-on entertainment zone. Watching TV? It syncs perfectly with your screen for a full cinema-style experience. Gaming? The lights react in real time. With over 100 presets built in, you'll never run out of ways to switch up the vibe. Each meter has 10 controllable segments, giving you crazy flexibility. Go from 2,700 Kelvin warm tones to 6,500 Kelvin daylight in seconds. These aren't fake white LEDs either. This is real, rich white light. Thanks to a 16-bit color chip, transitions are buttery smooth, and color accuracy is spot on. Controlled straight from your smart home setup, it's hands-free and always ready. It doesn't just light the room, it sets the entire mood. Number 9, Roam Smart Tags. You only lose your keys once. After that, you start tagging everything. And this is the smartest tag yet. Meet the Roam Smart Tag, a sleek cross-platform tracker that works with both iOS and Android. No split ecosystems, no confusion. Attach it to your keys, bags, wallets, or even your car. The tracking is laser precise within a 3 square meter range. And if something's left behind, you'll get an instant alert. It even blasts a loud sound to help you find it fast. The design is ultra compact, available in multiple colors, and the battery, fully replaceable, so you're not throwing money away every few months. Great for travel too. Drop one in your luggage and you'll always know where it is. No extra accessories required, just one cord and you're set. Whether you're heading out or unpacking at home, Roam has your stuff on lockdown. Number 8, HubPack X. Bag snatchers? Not a chance. This pack's built like a vault with style. Introducing the HubPack X, your personal fortress on the move. Built with anti-theft and cut-resistant materials, this bag keeps your gear safe no matter where you go. It's not just secure, it's smart. A built-in charging station keeps your devices powered, and a TSA-approved lock makes sure only you get inside. You can strap it on like a backpack or carry it briefcase style. It adapts to your day. The layout is genius. 2 main compartments, one for electronics and the other for daily essentials. Quick access pockets make grabbing what you need effortless. It expands to hold over 3.7 liters and is made from waterproof fabric, so rain or spills don't slow you down. HubPack X is where security meets function, giving you peace of mind and space to spare. Before we get to the next game-changing gadget, make sure to hit that like button if you're enjoying these picks so far, and let us know in the comments which one has caught your eye. Number 7, Rokr Marble Run model. Building kit. If you've ever wanted to build a machine just to watch it move, this one's for you. Meet the Rokr Marble Run Model Building Kit, a hands-on masterpiece for anyone who loves gears, motion, and a touch of madness. Inspired by cyberpunk design, this kit lets you create a fully functional marble run with electric motors, powered through a USB-C port. No phone needed, no screen required, just pure mechanical satisfaction. You can complete the build in about 4 hours, making it perfect for a weekend project. Once assembled, it's not just a toy. It becomes a dynamic lighting display and a standout piece of home decor. The detailed mechanics and smooth marble flow keep you watching again and again. Whether you're unwinding or showing off your build skills, the Rokr Marble Run brings motion, light, and creativity into one unforgettable model. Number 6, VLTrux 12 WRGB Camera Light. Lighting can make or break a shot, and this compact beast makes sure you nail it every time. This is the VLTrux 12-watt RGB camera light, a pocket-sized powerhouse designed for photographers and videographers who need reliable, adjustable lighting on the go. It delivers a full RGB spectrum and a color temperature range from 2,500 to 8,500 Kelvin, giving you control over every mood and tone. The built-in 22-watt-hour battery provides up to 2 hours of continuous light, and when plugged in via USB-C, it can run non-stop. Its lightweight, ultra-portable, and even doubles as a power bank when you need extra juice. The silicone diffuser adds texture and depth to portraits, enhancing every detail. Whether you're in the studio or on the move, this light slips into your pocket and is ready whenever inspiration hits. This isn't just gear, it's a must-have tool for anyone who takes lighting seriously. Number 5. Hoto Electric Spin Scrubber. Scrubbing your bathroom doesn't have to feel like arm day at the gym. Let power do the dirty work. Meet the Hoto Electric Spin Scrubber, the ultimate weapon against soap scum, grime, and bathroom buildup. Powered by electricity and built for efficiency, this tool tackles everything from shower walls to bathtub corners with ease. With a long ergonomic handle and 6 interchangeable brush heads, it's designed to reach every spot, high or low, without bending or stretching. It spins at 300 RPM with 2.5 Newton meters of torque, delivering serious scrubbing power while being gentle on tiles and surfaces. The IPX7 waterproof design means it's safe to use in wet zones, even fully submerged in sinks. One full charge gives you a solid 110 minutes of non-stop cleaning action. Whether you're dealing with mildew or dried soap, this scrubber puts control in your hands and grime in its place. Number 4. Olight Oclip Pro. When the lights go out or adventure calls, you need power that fits in your pocket. Literally, meet the Olite OCClip Pro, a compact lighting beast that punches way above its size. Delivering a bright 500 lumen floodlight or a focused 120-meter spotlight, this tiny clip-on torch adapts to any situation. Even features a red light mode for added versatility. Weighing under 53 grams and standing just over 2 inches tall, it's designed to go everywhere with you. Use the magnetic base to stick it anywhere, clip it to your gear, or hang it in your workspace. Built tough, it's been tested over 1,000 open-close cycles and shrugs off drops and splashes with its IPX6 waterproof rating. Charging is a breeze with USB-C, making sure you're always powered up, whether it's night hikes, power outages, or tight spaces. This is the light that never quits. Number 3. Edifier MP230 Bluetooth Speaker. Who says retro can't rock? This speaker blends vintage charm with modern power. The Edifier MP230 is a tabletop Bluetooth speaker with classic 1950s and 60s radio styling. But don't let the vintage looks fool you. Packed inside is a powerful 10 watts plus 10 watts dual driver setup with 48mm full-range speakers, giving you rich, balanced audio anywhere you go. Its 2,600 milliamp hour battery delivers up to 10 hours of playback and charges fully in just 2 hours. Whether you're using Bluetooth, a USB sound card, or slipping in a micro SD card, it's built for convenience on the move. The tactile controls feel like piano keys, adding to the old-school vibe while keeping everything intuitive. Lightweight and portable, the MP230 is ideal for picnics, work desks, or cozy nights indoors. It's not just a speaker, it's a throwback with serious sound. Number 2, Olo Light Mix Acid. Want to take your lighting to the next level without draining your wallet? Olo Light is here to change the game. Forget about overpriced DIY systems that need constant upgrades. Olo's mixed acid LED lights bring you a huge range of colors and smart home control, all at an affordable price. Whether you're setting the mood for a cozy night, lighting up a gaming session, or syncing with your music, these lights have you covered. With over 16 million RGB color options, you can fine-tune each light to match your vibe, control each light individually, or sync them together for a seamless setup. These lights work smart, look awesome, and let you create the perfect atmosphere every time. Get ready for total creative freedom in your space. Number 1, Musen Wild Go. Need big sound in a tiny package? Meet the Musen Wild Go, a super compact Bluetooth speaker that packs a punch. Despite its small size, it delivers powerful sound, making it perfect for on-the-go listening. With 8 hours of battery life on a single charge and a crisp 36mm speaker, you get impressive audio that fits right in your pocket. It's IPX5 waterproof, so you can take it anywhere without worrying about water damage. The Musen Wild Go is designed with a sturdy anti-slip rubber coating, making it drop-resistant and non-slip. Plus, you can easily attach it to a lanyard for extra portability. And with tactile, easy-to-use knobs for controlling volume and switching tracks, this little speaker is a must-have for any adventure. Don't let its size fool you. It's all about big sound. That wraps up our list of the coolest gadgets you won't want to miss. Which one is your favorite? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this list, make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech content, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.